You're about to enter a place called America. A perfectly ordinary dimension where everybody speaks English. My name is Max, and I'm an immigrant, and I'm still learning English. This is How to Speak American. Session 2. Controlled English. This video is not about your rights. It's not about arguing. It's about being understood when it's most matter. I am not telling you what to say. I'm here to show you what options you have. Every word you say is information. Too many words can be misunderstood, especially when English is not your first language. This video is aimed for truck drivers, but can be used by anybody. This is the road version. A police stop is not just a conversation. It's a job being done. You do not gain anything by escalating the situation. Your goal is simple. Finish the stop and get back on the road. Controlled English is not weak English. It's disciplined English. So you get pulled over by a police. Happens to everyone, almost. It is a difficult situation. You might say too much, or you might say not enough. Choices you're gonna make will determine the outcome of the stop. First thing, signal early enough that your English is limited. You might say, my English isn't very strong, or I'm still learning English. You can also say, please speak slowly. That'll be also good. It's not a weakness to say those. It's a clarity. Now let's talk about common questions that you might be asked at the stop. These questions are normal, but do be ready for them. The police officer most definitely gonna ask you to show your driver's license, and it will be sound like, let me see your driver's license. You might say, yes, officer. Keep it short. You may also say, it's in a cab. May I reach for it? The officer might say, let me see your insurance. Answer calmly. Move slowly. The officer may say, let me see your logbook. Even if it's electronic. The officer may say, let me see your loading papers. Or, show me the bill of lading. Those are expected questions. Don't be surprised. Next are route questions. The officer may ask where you headed. If you're not familiar with the word, headed means where are you going with the load. Answer with a simple answer. One word. Chicago, Illinois, warehouse name. Don't give them any stories. The officer might ask you where you coming from. You should answer also with a simple answer. Where you coming from? This is someplace. Where you coming from? Don't lie. The officer may ask you what company you're working for, even though the name of the company is right on the side of your truck. Don't make a big deal out of it. Just answer and make it simple, short. The officer may ask, what are you hauling? Which means, what kind of a load do you have in a truck? Give them a short answer. Dry goods, refrigerator goods, whatever you have in a trailer, just make it simple, short. Now, time for fatigue questions. Fatigue means if you are tired or not. These are very common. The officer might ask you, when did you sleep last? Even if it's in a logbook, they still might ask you that. Just be ready. If you know, answer honestly. If you don't remember or you don't know, say so. Don't make any stories. Say it like it is. I don't know. I don't remember. Another question might be, when was your last break? Once again, answer simple. An hour ago, 2 hours ago. I don't remember, but I have it written in the logbook. The officer may ask you, when was your DOT last inspection? If it's in your logbook, say so. You can also add, let me show you. The officer may ask you, did you do your pre-trip inspection? This is yes or no question. Just yes one way or the other, no explanations. Fuel and equipment question. The officer may ask you, where did you fuel last? Answer simple, just to give them a location, a city. The officer may ask you also about your fuel sticker. Be ready for that one. He can also ask you to step on the brakes for him. Some requests are optional, but it is for you to decide. Do you want to make a big deal out of it, or do you want to get back on the road? The officer might say, your headlights are too bright. Are you using high beams? Do not argue. Answer clearly, plainly, simple. Whatever the answer is. Now, the identity questions. These are sensitive nature. Stay calm. The officer may ask you, what's your name? Are you a U.S. citizen? If for some reason you don't understand the question, say that. I don't understand the question. Please repeat it. I'm not sure I understand. Can you repeat it, please? Never guess, never joke. There are also questions can be about your visa or work visa. If you're unsure how to answer, just say that. I am unsure. This is important. Do not lie. They do this for a living. If something doesn't match, they will know. One more time, if you don't understand the question, just say that. I don't understand. Now, the body language. Your words are matter, but your body language, your movement while you talking, also very important. Move slowly. Keep your hands visible. Do not use sudden moves. If you need to reach for something, ask them if that's okay to do. For example, my registration in a glove compartment. May I reach for it? This is controlled movement, just like controlled English. Remember this. You are not here to win. You're here to finish the stop. Good English is not fancy English. It's English when it works, even if you're tired. You don't need a perfect English. You just need the right amount of English. Control English gives you choices. 1 mile at a time. This was session 2 of How to Speak American, the police stop. Once again, my name is Max. I'm an immigrant. I survived English. And if you need help like I did, I'll be making more videos about how to survive English in America.